seen in the thumbnail and also in the title, we are going to see how we can download Microsoft Office 365 for free and use it legally. So I'm using Microsoft Edge in this occasion. So we are going to visit a particular website. You can visit login Microsoft 365 on this website as well. This is the official website of Microsoft. Or you can go to Microsoft 365 online, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this is the online version you are going to get. So you can sign in or sign up for free on this occasion, and you can also get Microsoft 365 mobile application on Google Play Store or the App Store or the Amazon App Store as well. So from here you can use Microsoft 365. Now I am going to show you another option that you can do, that is login to Microsoft 365. Here you can also use Microsoft 365 for free. Here you can get Microsoft 365, or you can sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. This will be the online version that you are going to use, so you can use both of them. So if you click on get Microsoft 365, and after I click on this option, it will redirect you to this particular page, and you can get this Microsoft 365 family for 6199 per year. That is for rupees 6199, that is 6200 rupees per year, or get the professional version for 4899 rupees per year. Okay, so the choice is yours, so you can select any one of them. Now these were the paid versions. So what about the free version? Well, as far as the free version is concerned, you won't be getting any free versions, that's for sure. If you see any YouTube videos telling you that you will be getting the free versions, legitimate versions, legal versions, don't believe them, because they are not going to provide you any kind of free versions, to be honest. It's very simple, to be honest. You're not going to get any free version of this kind of a software. So you have to pay for it. And you have to then you have to use it. So you can buy from these websites as well. These are also legitimate softwares. 749 rupees, 899 rupees. These are all cracked versions as well. But you won't be getting it from the Microsoft websites. That's for sure. So thanks for watching this video. See you all again next time, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down, that red subscribe button, hit that. And also the aim for this video, aim for this video is only 10. So can we get 10 likes? Let's see.